So our today's session, as you are aware, we have already finished domain 3. So before we push on to domain 4, I have been getting some feedbacks for some in-depth sessions on certain aspects. So one of the aspect is testing classifications. I know we had this session, but then there has been requests for an in-depth session on this. So I am going to take up this session today on testing classifications. Please pay very good attention to it, because though it has come from a selective few, but it could be meant for everyone, and for everyone's interest this could be a good session. So testing classification, so what is it? So we have unit testing. Unit testing is a process where individual programs or modules are tested. So each unit is tested. So from that, the word unit testing has come. You would have interface or integration testing. So again, the word interface or integration talks about a mixture. So here we are looking for hardware software tests. So it's a combination basically of hardware software tests, where you have two or more components that will be passing on information, and you see there how it is mapping to the other. And then you would have a system testing. So these are series of tests to check whether the systems are operating properly or not. So you could have a recovery test. So a recovery test is a system's ability to recover after a hardware or a software failure. Is the system able to recover? That is what is tested in a recovery test. You could have a security test, so where security loopholes are tested. Load test, so in this large volume of data is pushed and seen how much it can bear. Volume test, so incremental volumes of record are added on, and the impact of it is seen on the application, how the application performs with this incremental change of volumes of records. Stress test, again impact on the application is seen, but in this case it is by incremental concurrent users or services. So incrementally concurrent users, that is the number of users at the same time, and number of services at the same time is increased, and then that impact is seen on the application. Or you would have a performance test where system performance to other equivalent systems are tested and seen how it functions. And you have a final acceptance testing where you could have the proper UAT and a final acceptance testing. Apart from this, you have some other types of testing. Of this, we have alpha and beta testing. So alpha testing is with organizer, as in it's with the organizing people or the organization which has gone for it. So it is the people from that same organization. That is alpha. Beta testing is for the general public. So many of the versions, many times we see beta version written. So that is a test kind of a version. So pilot testing is something when we ask for proof of concept. So that is a pilot for a certain project. So we are actually asking the proof of concept for that project. So that's pilot testing. So we have white box testing. So here the logic path is tested with the test data. And we have black box testing, where functional operating effectiveness without any specific internal program structure is tested. Function or validation testings, here we see are customer requirements being actually met. Regression testing, here we are running a portion of the test plan to ensure that changes or corrections have not introduced new errors. We have parallel testing. So in this case, data is fed into both the systems. One, the original, another the modified, and it is compared. Ideally, the output should be same and it should meet the user's requirements. Now that is what is checked, whether it is the same case or not, and does it meet the performance needs as well as it also meets the end user requirements. Sociability testing, as the name suggests, sociability. So it means that the new or modified system, how nicely it gels in the target environment. So target environment will have its own environment. So whether that new or modified system is able to map onto the target environment. So that is what is checked. So thanks everyone, and thanks for hearing me in this special session out. I hope it has cleared many doubts of people, and do let me know and do connect with me for further such sessions if you would require on further some topics. Thank you.